To install your WeatherTech Golf Cart Mat, you will need car wash supplies and a clean towel. Start by making sure your golf cart key is in the off position and your brake pedal is in the park position. Next, use the car wash supplies and towel to clean the footwell of your golf cart. Begin installing the mat by laying it on the floor of your golf cart and sliding it underneath the pedals. Then, pull up the front portion of the mat underneath the front storage area and any existing cup holders. Make sure the mat lays completely flat on both the floor and front surface of your cart. With your golf cart still in the off position, press both your accelerator and brake pedal to make sure they're fully functional and are unimpeded by the mat. The opening in the center of the mat should rest directly underneath the pedals. If your golf cart has a horn installed in its footwell, it will be fully functional with the mat in place. If your mat includes a horn cutout guide on the underside, it can be used to accommodate your golf cart horn. To do this, lay your golf cart mat upside down on a flat surface and identify the horn cutout guide on the back of the mat. Carefully use a utility knife to cut along the edge of the guide, creating a hole for your golf cart's horn. Congratulations! Your WeatherTech Golf Cart Mat is now installed.